we are, Kauai. We are here in Kauai, Princeville, Kauai.
Aloha.
We had an amazing morning this morning.
He had an amazing morning this morning.
I had an amazing morning. Woke up at about 6 o'clock. Just incredible sunrise, just unreal. I went into her room and woke her up, and I was like, "Come on, you gotta get up. It's an amazing morning." The
and I was like, "Give me coffee first."
I was like, "No, we gotta take the drone. Come on." 30 minutes of trying to convince her, and then giving in to coffee.
I'm awake.
She was still in bed, so I went outside.
So, Sunday morning, airport at 4:20. And the flight was good.
Right, second leg, Kauai.
Kauai, here we come. Landed in Lahui.
Brian picked us up.
That's really disgusting. What's cool is that in Kauai, we even noticed that Sundays and Mondays, everything is closed. And it's like their weekend.
Get in on Sunday.
Get
like
in on
we
a
did.
Monday.
Or even, yeah.
Because we couldn't eat anything. We were driving looking for food and there
True.
was nothing.
Yeah, and the town shuts down at like 5, 6 o'clock.
Yeah. We went swimming in Honolulu Bay.
Just got to the beach. First day here.
First day
And
in that water.
yeah. Bye.
I love you, San Diego, but
We found our new favorite beach.
we found our new favorite beach. The water's warm. You get out and you're still warm.
Okay, so yesterday what did we do?
Yesterday was a good day. We went hiking. Sleeping Giant. We weren't sure that was Sleeping Giant. It took us forever to find it, and I don't think we found like the most popular entrance to the trail.
Yeah,
I
there's
feel
three
like.
there's 3 trail entrances. So
It was like the intense version. We got to this area, and then Brian goes, oh, "There's strawberry guava."
Boys picking some fresh guava. Alright, tell us what this is.
Another load of guava.
Guava.
So good.
Look at that. We just found the actual trail.
It's a legit trail.
Nicely cleared.
No guava.
We off-road. The easy way never gets you any fruit.
Right.
Literally. Kauai trail life lessons.
Oh yeah!
More.
Green guava! We had just guava all day, all afternoon.
And
it powered us through the
Totally.
whole hike.
we like weren't
So many
tired at
health
all,
benefits.
which was awesome.
So yeah, so we hiked up. There were probably about 4 summits in which we thought were the actual summit
We reached the top.
of
Just kidding, we
the
reached the top.
Sleeping Giant.
We made it to
It keeps going? Yeah.
Well, end of trail.
I laughed in the face of your sign.
We just kept pushing through. We'd be at that specific summit. We'd find another little hidden trail, and then it would go up, and then we just keep exploring.
We just made it to the top of Sleeping Giants. It is beautiful up here. Oh my gosh, no words. No words for this. We're at the highest, officially highest part of Sleeping Giant.
All the other summits don't count.
All the other ones we said don't count. So cool. Yeah.
Found our very own personal cave.
Very own personal cave with a little tunnel. And then I rolled my ankle. I'm fine. It's fine. I refuse to let that stop me. I need my ankle for this entire trip.
We have an
every
11-mile hike coming up.
Everything. 11
and
miles.
you have to be healthy. So yeah, what else do we do?
This amazing juice place. Holy cow.
Yeah,
And
really good.
I got my cool new hats.
Kauai Juice Company.
Yeah. It's hot pink.
Yeah.
What girl doesn't like a hot
Looks
pink
good on you.
hat? Thanks.
Do you like it with the honey?
Okay.
So good, right?
Shout out to the girl working the register because you were awesome
Yeah.
and super friendly.
Super helpful.
And I want to be your friend. Because you're really cool.
Right after that, we went to Bubba's Burger Joint. It's a very popular burger joint here, and it was really good. I had the double Bubba.
I had the teriyaki burger because when in Rome, stick a pineapple on everything.
Yeah, of course. In Kauai.
The farmer's market.
Yeah.
We roll up and he's like, Brian, hi,
Yeah.
where's Michael? Where's your dad? And he was so bummed Brian's
Yeah.
dad wasn't there. That was
Yeah.
really sweet. We roll up and immediately he gets 2 star fruit and just starts cutting it and
Yeah.
offers us, here, eat this, eat
Eat
this,
this.
eat this.
Brian was telling us that everyone on the island treats everyone as if they're true family, true blood.
Very community
Yeah.
based, very embracing. I love that.
Yeah.
I love that aspect of this culture. Hawaiian version of lychee, the lingdon,
Longdin.
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 Longding.
Longdin.
Long.
Be careful
Long.
how you say that. It's Longdin.
It's really delicious.
Kind of tastes like a pear. It's really good though. We're gonna enjoy these right here real quick.
I can't stop. He gave us a huge coconut too. Magic.
Look at this thing. This thing is huge. It's the
It's
size
huge.
of her head.
Size of
So,
my head.
hit it
My
open
head's
for
not
us.
that big.
Well,
Is my head that big?
no, it's not that big. Bigger than your head. So yeah, there it is. Boom.
On Friday, the boys are going
Pig hunting
pig hunting.
with a bunch of knives
Knives
and guns.
and guns. I'm like, I'll be at home with coffee. You go kill things. I'm really
never done
excited
it.
for you guys. I will live vicariously through
Yeah.
your experience.
What else do we have to talk about?
It's neat to be in a culture that honors and respects. I think because we are created to be honoring and respectful beings, because that is the way the Lord is to us. It's just so cool to be in a culture that is so honoring and respectful. It gives you a new sense of what honor is. But yeah, so we came back and just chatted about the day and then hit the hay, and we're excited for today. Amazing adventures in store.
Yeah.
So stay tuned
Yeah.
and we'll see you guys on the flip side.
Bye guys.
Bye.